Hello, everybody. Hello, it's Bill, the knee pain guru. And I've wanted to do this video for a couple of days now, actually four. It's on, knee replacement surgery. It's like the baby boomers baby boomers version of the millennial participation trophy, knee replacement surgery. And it was motivated by a comment I got on one of my YouTube videos that I thought was pretty spot on to the mentality of, baby boomers. This Jay, actually, he commented on one of my videos, and it said, "Oh, brother, wait until you're in your 60s. You'll be squealing for a knee replacement when time comes." And I'm like, okay, probably not. My knees don't hurt now. And like the whole mentality of a knee replacement surgery, it escapes me. There's this idea that somehow the knees hurt, and once they get hurt enough that the doctors are going to go in and saw off the bones in your leg and screw in a piece of metal and then cover it with plastic, and now this is your new knee. And somehow that is going to take care of everything you've been dealing with to that point. And to a point, they're correct. You no longer feel the pain in your knee because, now it's replaced with plastic and metal. But it goes deeper. This thread I had with Jay the other day really epitomizes the mentality of the baby boomer generation when they put their belief, all of their health and well-being into a doctor that's going to fix the problem for them. And so Jay goes on and said, "Don't get me wrong, I'm doing everything I can before surgery. Most importantly, losing weight, exercise, watching what I eat, and drinking lots of water. But at the end of the day, rebuilding cartilage at age 68 will be difficult." Now, I agree with him that rebuilding cartilage at age 68, hey Jazz, thanks for the comment. But I do believe rebuilding cartilage at age 68 can be challenging. It doesn't mean it's impossible, but I disagree with him that he's doing everything he can to prepare for knee replacement surgery. Like the whole mentality that it's like knee replacement surgery is an inevitable outcome of doing a bunch of stuff that you assume is right. The premise is incorrect. That if you're doing all these things, exercising, drinking water, losing weight, that's everything you can do. There is a piece of the equation that is completely being missed, and that's the knowledge and understanding of the tension patterns going on in the nervous system that are causing the knees to wear to begin with. The conversation is being started at B, and we're not having the original conversation at A. So it's a combination of the incorrect mindset that knee replacement is an inevitable outcome, and then not having all the information in the room to have the correct conversation, so then the knee replacement surgery isn't an inevitable outcome. I refuse to argue for anyone's limitations. If Jay wants to believe that that's all he can do, and that knee replacement surgery is going to be his be-all, end-all, that his knee's only going to isn't going to bend past 90 degrees, great. I'm not going to argue with him about that. I'm looking for the people that believe their body has the infinite capacity to heal itself, and that if there's something going on, there's something wrong in the body, we just need to figure out what that blockage is in the way to remove it and set up the conditions so the body can heal itself. It just makes sense. It makes logical sense. It doesn't make sense to get the bones in your leg cut off and replaced with plastic and metal. It's kind of, I don't know. It's like playing the game not to lose, as opposed to really playing the game to win. You were born with one body. It's an amazing, amazing mechanism, amazing machine that has more innate wisdom than we ever give it credit for. And so that's my perspective on it. Hello, Doc, Chaz, Mark, Pam, Megan, Josh, Amelia. Say hello if you have questions about your knees, anything going on. Please enter it below. If you're looking for more information about how I approach knee pain, eliminate knee pain, you can head on over to the kneepainguru.com. If you're watching this video on my website, this video goes out to my newsletter. Those on my newsletter, over to the left, there is or maybe this way, depending on how the video pops up. There are programs. Great place to start is with my program, The Comfort Zone. And that goes into 11 stretches that shows how to get the pressure off of the nerves, which is the whole premise. If the body's comfortable, if the body is not in pain, yes, I feel the same about hip replacements. Everything I talk about is based on principles. The body has the capacity to heal itself. I don't just believe strengthening the knees. Chad, what are your thoughts on strengthening the knees to not have surgery? Chaz, I believe that strengthening the knees need to happen after the knees are comfortable. If the knees are in pain, strengthening them, there's a dysfunctional pattern that is going on in the knees, the legs, the body that is causing the irritation of the nerves causing the pain. My whole premise is that if we create comfort in the knees, first and foremost, then when you go into exercise, the strengthening is going to take place from a balanced place. So the balance needs to come first, then the strengthening. It's also going to make it a lot easier to exercise because the knees aren't in pain. The person is not already trying to compensate to protect the knees from the pain that they already expect to experience. And then at the same time, they're also developing the skills to know that if they do exercise and the knee does get in pain, they know what to do to get the pressure off of the nerves that'll allow the knees to get out of pain as well. That's a great question, though. Thank you. So, any more questions? Hey, Alan, how's things going in Kansas? Hey, Bill. If you have any questions about knees, knee replacements, pain in the body's ability to heal itself, please ask them. I had mentioned before, you could kind of hear I've been sick for a few days, and I've wanted to do this video for a couple of days. I just didn't want to get on the video and spend the majority of the time on the video coughing. Not that any of my knee pain videos are going viral anyways. However, I want it to be a pleasant user experience to be able to at least hear me talk. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, The Knee Pain Guru. And if you want more information, head over to thekneepainguru.com. I have a 7-day knee pain reduction challenge. If you haven't already been on my website, that would be a good place to start, at thekneepainguru.com. And if you're seeing this on my newsletter, you want to head over and start working with my online program called The Comfort Zone. That's going to teach you basically 11 stretches that'll get you started. Yeah, Chaz, even bone to bone. I have a lot of clients that I've worked with over the past 10 years that bone on bone is a result of the tension pattern of the body compensating, tensing up to protect itself. Tension and stress, no, it's not hereditary. It's just tension patterns that it can be hereditary. We pick up those same emotional tension patterns from our parents and our grandparents. You know, it's passed down as far as how they view things, the emotion that they have around it, but that just manifests in the physical body. The more we can create comfort in the knee, and Chaz, you'll like this. What's up, Don? Man, give me a break. Don't make me laugh because I'll cough today. Okay, Chaz, here's the deal. I'm going to talk a little bit of medical speak now for those in the know. Okay, Chaz, there is two states of the nervous system. Sympathetic, parasympathetic. Pain, it moves the body to a sympathetic state. It sets up the conditions where blood pressure increases, heart rate increases, digestion decreases, cortisol and adrenaline production increase, and it keeps the body in a tense state. When the body moves into a parasympathetic state, it's a rested and relaxed state. That's where blood pressure decreases, heart rate decreases, the body relaxes. All of those mechanisms in the body begin to reverse, and it sets up the conditions by which the body is able to heal itself. When the knees are in pain, moves the body into that tense state. The longer the knees are in pain, the more it's in that sympathetic state that doesn't allow the body to be able to heal itself, essentially. So by getting the pressure off of the nerves in the knee, we immediately shift the body into a parasympathetic state, which sets up the conditions by which the body is able to heal what's going on. That the body's able to relax, let down, let go. And then all of the things that you're doing, drinking plenty of water, the nutrition that you're eating, supplementation that you're taking for your knees can now begin to work because the joint is relaxed. And then we have to add in their mindset, because in a mindset place, people with knee pain tend to have type A personalities. I know, I was in that boat. And what ends up happening is the moment a person in knee pain gets out of pain, they jump right back into the activities they were doing before they got knee pain. And that throws them right back into a sympathetic state, which slows down the body's ability to heal. When we create comfort in the knees, what happens is we get the pressure off of the nerves, but that just means we got the pressure off of the nerves and not that the knees have actually healed. So a person with a bone-on-bone situation or an arthritis situation, the moment they get the relief, they want to go right back into activities like they did when their knees didn't hurt. And it isn't enough time for the knee to heal. So if that makes sense. So in the position of comfort, when we have relief in the knees, now we can continue to develop the skill of building awareness and sensitivity to get the body relaxed on a fundamental level. So whenever you go back into exercise, you go back into activities, you've developed that skill of how to get your body out of pain or out of tension or out of discomfort as soon as you're done with that exercise. And now you've, with your body in that rested and relaxed state, now it's going to be able to heal much quicker between when you're done exercising and then when you pick up exercising again. You don't have to walk around your house with that discomfort. You don't have to go to sleep with that discomfort. You don't have to wake up with that discomfort. You develop the ability of your nervous system to move into a parasympathetic state faster and stay there longer. Chaz, okay, I went off on a little bit of a tangent there, but is that helpful? Does that give a better idea? Hey, Catherine. Great news, show that. No. Don, stop, behave. I'm trying to be professional here. Chaz, if you have more questions, you want to chat, you just let me know, and we can jump on a call. I'd be happy to do that for you. And see, it sounds like you might have going on. I might be presumptuous, but it sounds like you might have something going on, and I'd be happy to go into more detail in my approach in terms of how I address knees, how I help people online. So, okay. That's all I had for today. I was just talking about the baby boomers participation trophy, which is great. I'll send you a link, Chaz. I think I still have your, if you want to PM me your email address, I'll get that sent over to you. Yes, Don, you and flip-flops on night maneuvers. Okay. Yeah, Chaz, if you want to PM me your email address, I'll be happy to send over a link. We'll set up a time to chat. But yeah, I just see like the knee replacement surgery as being the baby boomer version of the millennial participation trophy. You get one just for showing up. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to work. Everybody gets one. Anyhow, okay, I'm going to wrap it up for today. This is about as far as I'm going to go before I start coughing again, and I don't want to have coughing fits on the video. So if you like the video, like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, The Knee Pain Guru. Head over to thekneepainguru.com, take my 7-day knee pain reduction challenge. And if you're watching this on my newsletter, head over to the left over here or over there and begin working with my program, The Comfort Zone. It's going to help you move in that direction of learning how to get the pressure off of the nerves in your knee, create comfort. Thank you all so much for being here. It was a pleasure to be able to share. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video.